been a long time coming. Everybody said that you've changed. Are you done with the running? Boy, are you done with the game? I've been gone, I've been growing. I've been working on my trade. I know you're bad, yes I know.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Khayla Jai. That's J-A-I, like J, right? And Khayla, the Khayla has an H in it. And my channel is gonna be about hair, occasional makeup, centerpiece, and then, you know, a couple funny hood chronicles, which we'll get into later. So first I want to talk about the unit I'm wearing today. So most people know that I am a brand ambassador for World Class Hair. I've been with them for like 4 or 5 years now. And so this is some of our hair. This is our Sea Wave hair and a frontal. The inches are 20, 20, 18, and I think the frontal is 14. So I'm gonna get a little closer so you can get a better look.
Down for rushing, 'cause we were just kids in those days.
This unit was made by Be Styled. She's my sister. And it was installed by Dejour Dior. I will attach their Instagram names and links below. So everyday maintenance so far has been pretty minimal. Like, I just tie my frontal down in the front. I don't really do too much to the back of my head. Like, I'll put it in a ponytail, but that's about it. Get it wet in the shower so that the curls kind of refresh and pop, and then I'll put like a leave-in or something on it just so that it still has like this bouncy look, as you can see. I plan to dye it. I do want to dye it, like maybe a piece of it, just to kind of give it some pop of color. Also, briefly insert my shirt is the caps. I'll attach a link to them below as well, so you see the back of my shirts. I'll attach some information about that below as well. I plan to keep my videos pretty short, sweet, to the point. I don't want to drag them out too much. I don't want to give you too much information that you probably don't want. If I see that there are a lot of questions, I'll come back, follow up, you know, do that whole thing. Yeah, I think that's about it. So guys, welcome to my channel. I'll be back.